Now this video is that video when you record when you have good lighting and then you suddenly pick out your camera because the lighting is good. I never do that. But for the sake of creating the videos, I'm very aware of this. And I think the lighting is not that bad. Given that it's getting darker, this street light is actually giving us some beautiful light. Without knowing what the video is going to talk about further, we have just started recording ourselves because we are never we are never short of words. Let me quickly think of something that I can tell you. Let me tell you something about myself. In the first video I said कि I will tell you about my entire story, लेकिन पहले 2025 की story सुन लो. The gist of that video is 2025 की story ये थी कि the year was all about Shri Ram and Ram Naam. उस वीडियो में मैंने कहा था कि मेरी कहानी कहाँ से शुरू होती है वो भी मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगी. तो मेरी कहानी शुरू होती है 2017 से. और 2017 इसलिए क्योंकि that was the first time I discovered or wanted to discover who I truly was. Because at that time, the environment around me made me realize that I am an introvert. So the environment around me was telling me that I am a very quiet person. To an extent that makes other people uncomfortable. To the extent that it makes them feel that I'm hiding some emotions, keeping them to myself. Maybe I'm not bringing up the pain, and therefore I'm quiet. I never doubted my own personality. Because at my home, I was never declared as a quiet person. No one ever said to me that I am like this or I am like that. It is only the rest of the world that started noticing it, whether at school or it was in my school. Therefore, I also started seeing it in my family, distant family, because those were the thoughts that kept running in my mind, and therefore they started projecting on more and more people. Which got me into questioning my own identity. Who am I? And then one day, मैंने डरते डरते अपना लैपटॉप खोला हुआ था. उस पर टाइप किया इंट्रोवर्ट. I had some idea कि this is who I am. तो I wanted to find out कि मैं हूँ क्या, जो सब इतना point out कर रहे हैं. I wanted to understand myself. I wanted to fight if I needed to fight. And I wanted to change myself. If there was anything that needed to be changed, I wanted to do something. आई नेवर थॉट कि इंट्रोवर्ट का वो सूजन केन वाला 19 मिनट वाला वीडियो मुझे इतना कुछ बता देगा अपने बारे में 2017 में. I think now this situation has changed. Everybody knows what the difference is about introvert, extrovert. There's clarity that there is some difference between introvert and shyness as well. But उस time पे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा confusion था कि shyness and introversion are the two same things. और no one knew what it really was. अभी भी ज़्यादा पता नहीं है लेकिन there is some clarity. लेकिन वो वीडियो मुझे लगा नहीं था कि कुछ मुझे मिल जाएगा जिसकी वजह से मैं अपने आप को समझ पाऊंगी. तो आई रैंडमली टाइप्ड लेकिन मुझे कुछ मिला विच मेड मी रियली हैप्पी. तो कहानी शुरू तब से होती है व्हेन आई डिस्कवर्ड दैट आई वाज एन इंट्रोवर्ट. बट नॉट जस्ट दैट बट ऑल्सो क्लैरिफाइंग हु एन इंट्रोवर्ट ट्रूली इज. This was the first question that I asked myself about myself to find out who I was. So the answer was related to my personality. Still did not reach the soul yet. Notice that? तो शुरुआत यहाँ से है. इंट्रोवर्जन से शुरुआत है. अब सोचती हूँ तो लगता है कि इंट्रोवर्जन एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट है, एक ऐसा गुण है जो सबके पास नहीं होता फॉर अ रीज़न. अगर मैं इंट्रोवर्ट नहीं होती तो आई वुड नॉट हैव considered asking questions that I kept on asking even after understanding what introversion was because I did not stop there. Introversion नहीं होता तो I would not have observed what I have observed throughout these years, which has led me to the last year that I experienced. 2025 और राम नाम बिना इंट्रोवर्जन के होता ही नहीं मेरी लाइफ में. Being an introvert has been the biggest gift of my life. Being an introvert was necessary for me to find Sri Ram. If you're an introvert watching this who is not satisfied with their personality, trust me that there is a reason why you're like this. और अभी अगर नहीं सहा जा रहा है ना, सहन मत करो. कुछ सहन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Relax and just be who you are and be satisfied with who you are. If you're thinking that the other people say things to you and that is what annoys you and disturbs your mind, then इंट्रोवर्जन तो एक चीज़ है. ऐसी कितनी सारी चीज़ें आएंगी आगे जिनके बारे में कोई और कुछ भी कह सकता है. तो अभी से ही शुरू कर दो इग्नोर करना. बिकॉज एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ और understand that you are not wrong. Actually it's given to you and you are going to make use of it. तो इसमें there is no sense in even considering what the other person is saying. क्योंकि योर स्टोरी इज योर्स। और वो ये इंट्रोवर्जन क्यों है, इंट्रोवर्जन क्यों है, वाई यू आर एन इंट्रोवर्ट, ये तुम्हें बाद में समझ में आएगा, जब वो तुम्हें किसी चीज़ के लिए हेल्प कर जाएगा। तुम्हारी ये कहानी किसी और को तो समझ में आएगी नहीं unless you make a video about it and explain it to others, which is not what I'm doing. Because people are never going to understand. The ones who are not supposed to understand will not understand. You will understand this because this is also your story. I feel this is going to help someone. Some introvert is going to watch this video and they might feel content with who they are. Some introvert who is about to go to college, who is afraid of having experiences which you're meant to have when you go to college, but as an introvert you don't want to have those experiences. It might be anything. It might be an introvert who is working in an office right now, and when they sit in a meeting, everyone complains about their introversion. The only message is accept yourself first. Accept your introversion, accept your story. Understand that your introversion is important, not for others but for you. Get to know your own importance. Get to know the importance of your introversion for your story. And then, can you hear the dogs? They're all saying the same thing. They're repeating what I'm saying actually. But trust yourself and ignore the lighting. And let me stop the video now. But we'll continue the story next time. But मेरी कहानी की शुरुआत 2017 से होती है, इंट्रोवर्जन से होती है, जो कि मुझे लेके गई 2025 में, जहाँ मेरी लाइफ में श्री राम की परमानेंस आती है. Do you see that connection? It's not random. Let's close the video now. I'll go now. And you accept your introversion and then see how others will accept it. Jai Shri Ram.